Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do cleaning and deep cleaning cycles on a Canon MG2551S. Now this is nice and simple and can be done directly from the printer using nothing but the small control panel you can see here. Now what these cleaning cycles do is push ink through your printer's printhead to hopefully dislodge any dried or congealed ink that might be stopping the ink cartridges printing correctly. And as this process relies upon the physical use of ink for the cleaning, I'd recommend using it sparingly, and even though the deep cleaning process is more effective, it uses more ink, so I'd recommend sticking with the standard cleaning first. And to do this clean, we're simply going to hold down this button here, which is called the stop button. And we're going to hold it down until the alarm lamp up here, with a little LED next to it, until that LED flashes orange twice. So here we go. One flash, two flash. And after those flashes, we release immediately. And now your printer will start making all kinds of whirring and chugging noises as it performs the clean. And you'll be able to tell when the clean is finished, when the power light you can see here has finished flashing and it's just solid green again. As we can see, even after that short period, the clean is finished. And to check the results of your clean, I'd recommend printing a quick nozzle check from the printer, which you do by holding down the very same light for just a single flash from that LED, and it'll automatically spit out paper and you can check the quality of the print. If you still have issues, I would recommend doing another clean. And if after 2 cleans you have a very stubborn issue that still isn't resolved, it might be a good time to move on to that deep cleaning. To do that, you simply hold down the same stop button until the alert lamp up here flashes 3 times, then immediately release. If you've still got issues after that and you haven't noticed any kind of improvement there, it might be time to contact whoever you purchased the ink cartridges from, because unless the printer's been left unused for an extended period, there might be a genuine issue with the cartridge there. But I hope you found what you're looking for. If you have, let me know with a like. If you've got anything else to add, drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.